7 p.m. and I finally made it to Ipoh. It was the longest day ever. Good morning, it's 9 a.m. Monday morning. We're starting a new week fresh and I'm gonna go to one of the parks close to my hostel. I've been told there is not that much to do here in Ipoh, but it's fine. Like, I'm happy just walking around and chilling for a few days. I had to change hostels because yesterday I wasn't planning on coming to Ipoh. I wanted to go to another town called Taiping, but I was tired of buses, and that would mean that I had to take another one, and this morning do 3 more hours. So I was like, okay, no, I'm not gonna do that. And I came straight to Ipoh. So I booked another hostel just for one night, and I just changed. And I still cannot get into the room until later, so I'm walking around the neighborhood, and it's a very cute one. This is more like the old town, and the other one was also very nice, but it was on the outskirts. Look at my scars the tour I did in Langkawi. There was a tree and I didn't see it. Well, I saw the tree but I didn't see the branch, and I just stepped into it. Fine. I'm on my way to breakfast. Luckily it doesn't rain, but it might rain anytime soon. So I'm gonna have breakfast and then I'm gonna head into one of the cave temples, and after that we will see. Inside of the cave temple, and wow, this place is insane. I had zero expectations. I thought it would be very similar to Batu Caves in Kuala Lumpur, but no, it's like really amazing. Between the sweat and the rain, it looked like I just showered, but no, I just finished my visit and it was very nice. Now I'm waiting for a Grab and I'm gonna head back into the massage place I went yesterday because it's gonna start raining heavily again. Very authentic Indian place right next to my hostel, and they spoke no English. Everything was in Malay, and I just ordered pointing at what everybody was eating, and it was not the best, but it was fine. It was €1, so can't complain. I have to say, this is the first place in Malaysia where I don't feel that comfortable walking around at night, because as you can see there is not that much people, almost no one walking. There are cars and a lot of homeless, so I don't know, I just prefer to stay close to my hostel. But it's the only town where I felt like this. In all the other places it was fine. I think it's because it's not that touristic, I don't know. but I really enjoyed my 3 days here in Ipoh. As I told you, it's very different from the other places. It's not like a touristic place where you have to go and see X, Y, Z, but still the buildings are very beautiful. There is like a decadent kind of thing going on in the old town. I enjoy a lot walking around, seeing the street art, and the temple I went to today was also very beautiful. Only just for that it's worth it to come here. So if you are in Malaysia, I would really recommend you to at least spend 1 full day here in Ipoh. I don't think you need to spend 3 days like me, but 1 full day is good. I would do that for sure. And tomorrow I'm going to Cameron Highlands, which is 3 hours from here by bus, and I will also share that with you. I hope you enjoyed this video.